friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramani and once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all is safe and doing great. Before going into a video, first I want to show you kids resellers. Alert. Getting alert. Why I want to see here the lot of entire kids collections. The new collections has come few days back. I have shared the video of the kids party wear collections and the stock of these beautiful lovely collections. The entire collection has got selling out that much resellers having a huge demand, especially huge demand for the kids resellers. Why? The trend has changed, robotic technology has come, people are demanding new collections. Now the parents, when they go and buy for children demand actually, mama I want this, but dada I want that, this. So that kind of collections also manufacturers are implementing and production new varieties. So especially kids resellers, hurry up for new varieties to add for this festival season. So today I want to show you the costume which I'm wearing. Kerala. Why Kerala? The next month, if I talk about celebration, Onam festival celebrations are going to celebrate all over the south. So Kerala is having a unique style and unique varieties. They have a taste in entirely, no matter it is a food or no matter it is a collections of the ready-made or sari segment. Today I'm going to show you the huge demanded collections of the Kerala style taste varieties. Today I am wearing the Kerala style sari, but the Kerala style sari only one day they are going to wear only for their celebrations. Today I am going to take you to the cotton segment. Here the silk segment is always, these executives are very busy with packing. Every customer is sell collections. The wedding purchase of royal rich Banarasi varieties. These all collections, everyone is busy. Why? Because India is having a beautiful, lovely traditional culture from the silk Kanjivaram, Banarasi, which is rapier cotton, rapier silk, all these exclusive collections from the silk and rapier segment. The customer has purchased verifying the collections, all these varieties, and from rapier segment also there is a purchasing is going on here also. So that's why rapier silk, rapier cotton, linen cotton, silk varieties are demanded. So fully cream color saris or Kerala style saris but I brought for you the Kerala having a one style. These kind of collections, they like to very simple, sober and mild varieties, and especially cream color, the border saris, gap border saris, capri copper border saris, these all kind of varieties. Today I am going to show you at the factory price from 300 to 600 variety only at factory price. So subscribe the channel quickly, you can add into your business. These collections are from Gadwal cotton, Dola cotton, from linen cotton. So first every pattern I'll show you. First pattern, which is dark cream color, which is with capri border, capri copper border, lovely print with the running blouse. This is the sari. Okay, capri border. The capri border with lovely unique design. In this you have a capri border sari, which is 56583 is the code. 56583 is the code. By telling this code, you can buy these kind of colors and different borders. Next sari I'll show you. From linen cotton, you have a trending stylish sari, which is, this is also very pretty. Lovely sari. You can see over here. This is a beautiful sari. In this you have a lovely style of magenta, dark grey color, dark kesar color, and this is a self designer running blouse. This is a linen cotton sari. Okay, this is a one more pattern. If I talk about the next sari, the cream color, Lovely sari, which is a cream with the running style of the floral, which is a grey color, which is a copper mud, light chocolate color, and the capri border. The capri border saris are very demanded at present. So these collections, resellers, cotton resellers, you can quickly add into your business. Now coming to glossy silk gap borders, especially for the Onam celebration. If you are a working woman for the private sectors, you can have this Dola cotton or the Gadwal cotton. So glossy, the golden yellow border, this kind of saris with the glossy border, these kind of print also with a light mehndi green color with the leafy pattern. So in this kind also you can purchase. Coming to next sari, which is a silver jerry with uniformic border. In this you have a grey with white, lovely print. So in this you have a unique designs, unique collections. So uncountable varieties, okay, uncountable varieties you can purchase. So this is a sari, lovely sari, okay. For uniformic saris, if you need a white with blue or with silver gap borders, okay, Gadwal Tapsi BP, this is the code. And I want to show you one more sari, dark creamy color with chocolate color combination with floral butta. This is a Gadwal dolly. Lovely collections. I am telling you the code, where the code is mentioned, you can also take down. In every sari you will find all this, only in this colors only you will find set to set. These are all beautiful collections. If you want this kind of collections, you can quickly add into your business. Now in the cream color, floral printed, soft cotton, Gadwal cotton, floral with maroon shade, okay. This is the one of the pattern. So in this you have a lovely sari with the maroon shade. You have a Gadwal flora. So in this also you can purchase. All these kind of saris where you can purchase at 300 to 600 range of saris at factory price. Kesaria is giving you all exclusive Kerala, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Punjab, Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat, all kind of UP, Bihar, West Bengal collections, all at one place at Cotton Manufactures. The manufacturers Kesaria is supporting with the resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs for home-based business to start up, already into a business to have a new varieties and collections. You can visit, purchase, you can do where the Kesaria is giving you full support as for the sales executives with online support purchase. No need to worry about the language barrier. Keep watching the videos, every product videos. And you people have asked the West Bengal collections in the comments. So sure, I'll going to share you the West Bengal collections also. Next video will meet with new more collections, and everybody is asking to share the price. To know the actual prices, please call on the numbers which are in the scrolling. If you ask the West Bengal collections also, they will show you in the video call also you can do it. So when I'm not sharing you the prices, if you want to know the actual price, you can call the team, which is online team where the numbers are scrolling. If we say the actual price, many resellers are doing business with us. So approximate price I'm sharing. Hope you enjoyed this collection. So soon by COD options you can place these collections and place an order. Keep supporting me. Next video will meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye friends.